Have you ever wondered if the Festool Queen Tech system is compatible with the Kreg track saw? I've wondered that too, and now that I just got this Festool MIDI, I want to find out. It fits, but does it work like it's supposed to? One way to find out. Answer, yes, it works. If you already have the Kreg track saw and you're looking to upgrade your dust collector, but you don't want to spend that extra money to get the matching track saw, this works totally fine. We all know Festool's expensive, so use what you got.